Guys, here we go, here we go. And what an exciting night on a day when there could be bad things happening in the market tomorrow, right? But who knows? We're already here. We'll see what happens in market tomorrow. We're talking about TradFi. I'm just talking about the ringgit. The ringgit, surprisingly, oh, good news for the ringgit, man. It has rebounded like a madman. I don't even know what to do. It has rebounded like a total madman now. Okay, it's like whoa, it's like going to where no man has ever gone to. Has rebounded very, very fast, showing to you basically yeah, it's a story of Malaysia, really. It's a story of Malaysia, really. And you can see how when we fix our economy, I think it's being acknowledged outside, right? Malaysia stock market's the best performing in ASEAN. The IPO market is on a hot streak, just crazy, crazy streak, right? And yeah, creating wealth for a lot of people who who are following, okay, who are following, okay. So come in, come in, come in. Let's come in. And let's see what's happening in the market here. So I'm gonna wait for a while here for the rest of you to come in. But again, while you guys are coming in, what I'll do is I'll just stream to yahoo.finance, okay? And we're going to have shows starting this week that not only cover the crypto markets, hey, we'll also cover TradFi market, which includes stocks, which includes some stocks that are related to Bitcoin and crypto and all that. And of course, the IPO, red, super hot IPO market. So it's just like kind of like one show that kind of covers everything, right? And I think that's kind of super duper cool here. But anyway, let's go see what's happening on Wall Street now. Oh, yes, there it is. There it is. Because there's a lot of things happening on MITI, IPO after IPO gets released, right? So that's kind of cool here. So go here. Let's go, guys. Hey, what's up, Henry? Hey, Henry is ready there. And Henry is fired up. Totally, totally fired up because this is really super duper cool. Where something great is happening. Where, yeah, look at stocks, look at NVIDIA. Big tech AI investment is going right into NVIDIA. Who said that, Henry? Who said that? Who said that? I told you guys who said that, right? That's kind of funny, right? It's kind of funny, right? So because again, if you want to buy a stock, and I think this was repeated many times today, right? Very famous. He's not an influencer, he's a real big investor. It's like if you want to create a company, where do you invest in? You invest in the things that are pick and shovels, right? This is an example of pick and shovels. Hey, not only him. For example, when I am looking now for a new computer to replace my current Asus, again, when you want to go to Asus, I'd rather you guys, hack here. Either buy it in Harvey Norman together with the warranty and extended warranty. Otherwise, it sucks. My computer really sucks now. Many regrets, okay? So again, just go here. So you look at here, it's NVIDIA here, right? So we get total here, NVIDIA here. So you have the NVIDIA here. You just go and buy the pick and shovels because everyone is going to buy the pick and shovels. That is the fact here, right? That's seriously the fact here. So what's going to happen this week? But hey, when Henry comes in, you know what? Malaysia is going to be more expensive, Henry. So Henry, we know he's coming in mid-September, where we're going to go to the events for token 2049 and also Solana, a breakpoint in Singapore. Very excited about that. I think there's going to be a lot of alpha there. But Henry comes in when Malaysia has suddenly become expensive. Why? Oh, because the ringgit has suddenly decided to shoot up, much to my thing, right? I'm not very happy about it, but hey, it's also a good time for Malaysia to, so we can buy stuff better, right? So we can buy stuff better. Or are you afraid to buy stuff because ringgit is up? Possible. Also, maybe you guys are afraid to buy stuff while ringgit is up. Meanwhile, the markets go down. That's the KLCI here. You want to see anything else? Okay, let's go see here. That's the KLCI. KLCI has gone down. So this is a very nice situation whereby the whereby we can see that the ringgit is going up, yet the KLCI is going down. Look at that. Hit bottom Bollinger Band, rebound. Hit bottom Bollinger Band, consolidated, rebound. Hit bottom Bollinger Band, retest, up. Hit bottom Bollinger Band, up. Hit bottom Bollinger Band, up. What do you think is going to go here? So every time you see here, there's like test, retest, right? It's like test and retest. What do you think will happen here? Again, it's not financial advice, but I just see a similar pattern here. Again, it could break down, which is like every bet is off, but you could bet your socks here or whatever you have here that what is going to happen here. Not financial advice again, barring anything that is not good, right? Because the markets could go down. We could have a Black Monday. Who knows? I don't know. Am I supposed to know everything? So, you know, because when you look at this, what do we have here? What is it supposed to do? Yeah, you know what it can potentially do, right? So let's go here and let's go here and yeah, I like to redraw this, you know, I like to redraw this, right? Again, I don't know why this is not working again. Work for me, man, work for me. Go and start working for me. Okay, so let's go here. Yeah, looks like we're gonna go like this. This is not working, man. This is not working. I don't even know what's wrong with Zoom. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, Mr. Zoom? Oh, okay. Oh, this. Okay. I got it wrong. I got it wrong again. Silly me. So I'm going to zoom here and I'm just going to go in and take this out, right? So what do we see here? See here something quite obviously obvious. Obviously obvious, right? So you see something like that, test, may go up, retest, and then we're out of the woods. However, it can also go here again, which I say that, hey, let it fall down. I don't know what's going to happen. So let's see the Malaysian ringgit. Let's help Henry here. Henry, what was the ringgit when you came here? What was the ringgit when you came here? Tell me, what is the ringgit when you came here? What was the ringgit? What's the exchange rate of the ringgit? We're going to ask Henry here. He's going to come from Australia here, but so he's staying at my house, which is good. Just save the thing, right? Because Malaysia is more expensive. What is the exchange rate of the ringgit when you came here? But let me show you to it now. To ringgit Malaysia. You guys are happy, right? Haha, we can go and buy things now. So you can travel, right? Look at this. Conversion to Malaysian ringgit. Ho. Let's go to XE. Didn't check. He's too rich. 292, mate. 292. When you came here, it was 3.1. Okay, I know I checked on your behalf. So it's going to be more expensive for Henry. It's going to like everything is going to go up. Hey, man, your favorite nasi lemak is going to go up. You didn't have durian. Now it's going to be more expensive when you come here. You should have a durian here. You should have had the Musang King here. Now the Musang King is going to be more expensive than before. Look at that. Awesome. Okay, so welcome to Malaysia. Next, US dollar against ringgit. It's like 4.76. Hey, hello, guys. Hello, 4.49. It's like off market, it's like 4.48. And officially it's about 4.5. Holy. It's like 4.76. What is 4.76 minus 4.5? That's a big movement, man. Even I didn't expect that big a movement. So ringgit is very strong, surprisingly, which mirrors kind of like the economic performance. Okay, a 7.6, 5.4%, guys. 5.4% is big. Hello, expensive Malaysia. So better come here because it gets more expensive. What a euro? Are we below 5? Give me below 5. Whoa, 4.88. See, told you guys. I seen it at 5 for the longest time, and it's now 4.88. So those guys who want to come from Europe, come faster. What is a Great British Pound? I'm going to show you some other currencies. Hey, 5.7. Wow. 5.7 because it was 6. You guys remember it was 6, right? You guys were crying. Oh, I cannot go on my holiday in UK. I cannot go to London anymore. Right? Because you're not like the Melayu kaya. Now, Melayu, China, India, all kaya already, right? All is very rich now. Because look at that. Next. What else do we have here? Singapore dollar. Singapore dollar. Hey, who works in Singapore here? Who works in Singapore here? Hey, ringgit to the moon now. Yeah, ringgit is expensive now. So we better travel, guys. Hey, holy moly! I saw it at 3.42. It's going up during after hours, right? Like this crazy. On Friday, I checked, it was 3.42. Look at the rate now. 3.39. 3.39. So Henry's looking forward. So guys, it's awesome that we're going to Singapore. Remember, we're going to Singapore We will be there on September 18th to September 21st, right? 18/19, 2021. 18/19 is token 2049. Hope you guys signed for it. And then it's Solana breakpoint. Oh, but you guys know, right? Malaysia is nestled in the middle of ASEAN. So let's see this, Southeast Asia. Of course, in Southeast Asia now, because when Henry comes in, say, hey, maybe you should use this advantage to visit the other beautiful countries of Southeast Asia. Let's go to Southeast Asia here. Okay, so there you are. So you see Malaysia here. You see Indonesia, especially with Bali. You see the Philippines, beautiful islands, but please be extra cautious when you're there. And see Thailand. So how are we doing in those currencies, right? How do you think in those currencies? And then we'll get to reason why are these going up? Is this purely Malaysia's economic performance alone? Not so. Don't be so fast. Don't be so happy. Okay, so I know the Malaysian ringgit now. And now let's say that Henry has a ton of Malaysian ringgit. When he bought, he bought a lot of Malaysian ringgit to come in. He didn't convert it back. So he's got a lot of money now, right? So let's see what happens now. Hey, what happened to the Hong Kong dollar, man? What happened to the Hong Kong dollar? Is that 100 Malaysian ringgit is what Hong Kong dollar? I want to know this too. I want to know this too. Okay, what is the exchange rate now? Let's see the charts now. Oh, we don't need view chart. Let's see that. 1.73. See, look at the ringgit, mate. Look at that. Going to the moon. Going to the moon. That's totally crazy, right? Totally crazy. So 100 Malaysian ringgit is at 173 Hong Kong dollars. Look at that. Going to the moon. I'm going to show you the charts just so that you can see what going to the moon is now like. So what is it like to Indonesian rupiah? Say like, before Henry returns to Australia, he wants to go to, hey, I don't know, Bali. I don't know why he goes to Bali, Oh, look at that, guys. 3609. I cannot remember a time in my life when I saw ringgit at 3609, right? Look at that. Going to the moon, right? Going to the moon. Ringgit is like an altcoin. Ringgit is like an altcoin. It's crazy. Look, just look at that. This is like an altcoin going totally parabolic. 3609. I haven't seen ringgit at 3.6, near maybe. Or maybe it has hit 3. I have not seen it. Let's see. You see? Oh, it was here. 2020 it was, right? 2020 it was 3.7. Okay, guys, give me a 4. Give me a 4, guys. Give me a 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Send it to 3.8. Send it to 3.8. Look at that. Then COVID, right? Send it to 3.8. Oh, come on. Give me 4 against the rupiah. I'm going to tell you what causes the ringgit to spike. Give me, but you won't like it. You won't like it. Are you Malaysian? Because you're Malaysian, you won't like it. But if you're earning foreign currency, you would like it. Malaysians who are earning ringgit won't like it. Okay, you just won't like it. I hope the government does the right thing. But wait, give me a 4, right? And you guys, hey, I know you guys say, hey, you guys want to go to the Philippines, right? You say, hey, I want to go to Boracay because you want to see what it's like after Duterte clean it up, right? Duterte clean it up. So Henry's even going, oh, look at that. Look at that. We hit an all-time high. Like, this is crazy. Yo, Joe. Okay, we're higher here. 13. Give me a 14, guys. Give me a 14 against the Philippine peso. Let's see Indonesia. Because Indonesia is one of the fastest growing economies. I just want to see the all-time high. Let me see this. Indonesian rupiah. 10 years. Oh, we were at 3.8, right? Give me a 4. Give me a 4. And now let's go to Thai baht. You guys got to go to Thailand, right? Because people in my home state, Kedah, they always go to Thailand. Because even with the unfavorable exchange rate, it's like food is much cheaper in Thailand, even after you convert it. I don't even know how they can get the food there so cheap because one pulut ayam, like sticky rice with chicken with a drink is like 6 ringgit. And I'm like, how in the world do they do it when diesel there is so expensive, but food is like so cheap there? It's like an unfair advantage. I don't know why. But let's see Thai baht. Whoa, not there yet, but we are getting there, guys. We're getting there, guys. Give me an 8, guys. Give me an 8. Give me here. Give me here. Give me a 9. Give me 9, guys. Give me 9. Give me 9. Oh, awesome ringgit. Now, why? Why? Let me tell you why. Let me give you why in political terms. In political terms, and then it's a combination, actually. The first combination is this. If we go look here, let's look at the dollar index, okay? Oh, we don't have the dollar index. This is one of the reasons why I'm going to go this. Look at this. The Japanese yen has gone down. So basically, the US dollar index has crashed. And even the Nikkei has crashed like mad. And Ethereum Bitcoin has again disappointed again. I'm totally fed up of this, okay? So again, in fact, when you look at it, the yeah, it's demonstrating an impressive strength here. Let's see the dollar index here, guys. Look at this. Look at that dollar index. The dollar index has gone down, okay? So I'm going to give you the macro view, and then I'm going to give you the micro view of why the ringgit is literally going to the mooning. Okay, look at that. So look at that. The dollar index has already, yeah, it's already come out this box, which I drew for the longest point of time, which is like, woo, totally broke this thing, man. Totally broke this thing. Totally broke this thing, right? Like, wow. Like, wow, look at that. Come on, dollar index. Give me 102. In fact, give me this, guys. Give me this. Give me 100. Give me 100. I think 99 would be pushing it because I have a lot of dollars, right? Ha 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 ha. I have a lot of dollars. Okay. So yeah, this is one thing. So the thing is, it's about the unwinding of the Japanese yen. Okay. Now, before we go to the unwinding of the Japanese yen, because it is quite a complex subject, and I want to tie it along with recession, I also want to tell you this. This is not good for Malaysians, which is why I say for Malaysians, you can go with Henry to visit overseas countries because this is a fact. Okay. Let me tell you this. This is a fact. I'm going to tell you the fact. It's going to get much worse for Malaysia if you are earning ringgit, in my humble opinion. I hope that PM Anwar does the right thing, especially with relation to interest rates. Okay, so here it is. And let's see here. And let's go here to see JP Morgan Malaysia. JP Morgan is Jamie Dimon, right? So Jamie Dimon now really acknowledges Malaysia, but I want you to see what they say about Malaysia. I know you guys are happening here, right? Please see what they say about Malaysia. You are in being like, hey, the ringgit goes up. Okay, there are some things here. Really, look at this, guys. A bright spot amid tight global financial conditions. Look at this now. Because we did something, but what we did is not necessarily good for the rakyat, okay? The government of Malaysia undertook an investor engagement with Singapore and joining the UOB Malaysia CI, JP Morgan, guys. JP Morgan, and it was in UOB. Awesome. Investor perception and sentiment towards Malaysia. Yeah, because you know, right? In the hottest sector, what do you need for AI, guys? What is the most important thing for AI? Don't forget about NVIDIA. We don't have an NVIDIA. What is the most important thing for AI? Come on, tell me. Not software. Okay, software is the most important, but we forget about NVIDIA, okay? Other than this, when you go down the stack here, tell me, Henry, what is the most important thing for AI? You need this all along, okay? You need this all along, okay? What is the most important thing for AI? And I tell you why. This country is like the hottest country ever. Suddenly, it just went boom, boom, boom. Yes, data center. And here's the thing. When you talk about data center, you have to remember that by the year 2030, right? Data capture, 2030, 66% of all data center capacity is going to be in Malaysia. What is the hottest place? Yes, storage too. Storage too. What is the hottest place for data center? Henry, I told you already. Were you sleeping in class? What is the hottest place for data center? Because if you're smart, you will like shift yourself to this place and see what is this place all about? Where is it, guys? Where is it, guys? You guys don't know this, right? You guys don't know this, right? Where is the hottest place? I'm going to show you the structure for Malaysia, right? I'm going to show you the structure for Malaysia. The hot story from Malaysia. Where is the, yes, Johor. Guys, it is in Johor. It is totally in Johor, okay? So that's why I said, I am going to Johor. I don't know whether I'm going to move there permanently, but as I told, right, in 2026, I'm just moving myself to Johor and I see lah. I see what's happening in Johor there, and let's see whether now I'm just renting. I'm not buying yet because I need, you know, but if I like it, yeah, why not buy it? And I buy it in 2027, and there's a reason, okay? You guys know, right? I follow Larry Williams, and 2027, we're gonna have the end of the property bull run or whatever. I'm sure we're gonna have a bull run here because once the stock market goes up, when they sell, we Malaysians, we have no idea what to do with our money, whether it's crypto or stock market. Where do we put it? We put it in property. So I think it's going to be spike up in property, and then we go back in. But I want to show you something else here, right? Because you guys are really not good at this, right? So I'm going to have to show you this also. That what is really hot in Malaysia now, well, one is Johor lah. One is definitely Johor, but let me show you where is this going to be going to. Let's see, Johor, I have it there, I have it there, I have it there. It's like Johor it's like it's so incredibly hot now because I was here on Maybank, okay? I was like here on Maybank. Yeah, why don't you guys go to Maybank? So I was here on Maybank, this right. Let's go here and let's go and let's go here and let's go here. And let's go here, okay? Let's go here. Okay, there it is. This is the story, guys. Johor, Singapore Economic Zone. So it's not only about data centers, but the cooperation between Singapore and Malaysia, right? JSSEZ. Z. You guys say Z. I say EZ, my business. So construction. These are what Maybank covers here. A property here related to data center also here, right? So there's a lot of property here because a lot of them have data centers. So a lot of you guys were worried, right? A lot of you guys were chicken. You were scared of Johor land. You said of Johor palm oil, right? Johor palm oil. You said it would go down. Again, all chicken. Because you didn't know that Johor Palm Oil Group actually has a very good data center location in Sedana, in Johor. Again, Johor is hot, right? IT Max is a company. Ooh, Rand Hill is, of course, about water. YTL Power, yes. So that's Johor. Another one is Sarawak. Do you see that? There's no Selangor here. The shift has gone, right? So now, yeah, because Henry was wondering, why are you moving from KL? Why are you moving from the Klang Valley? Now you know, Henry, because the center of gravity has moved. Remember, the center of gravity has moved. Okay, seriously, it has moved. Look, it's a fact. So Sarawak is another one. Petros, a gas aggregator. They're also buying a stake in Affin Bank, construction here. Cahaya Mata Sarawak. Oh, that's a hot company, man. They got a buy rating here. Not financial advice. Just go and ask Maybank, not me. Penang, high-tech powerhouse, semiconductors coming back. Just like I told you, which was told by Tan Teng Boo. No, it wasn't told by Tan Teng Boo. It was told by the CEO of Unisem. In the talk given by Tan Teng Boo of Capital Dynamics, the second half is the recovery. So it's here, E&E, new infrastructure support. Look at that, Mutiara LRT. Oh, JC would love this. Silicon Island, Juru Dua, construction, Gamuda. Okay, IJM. I see IJM a lot, I don't know why I see IJM a lot. SCGB. Did I see SCGB somewhere? I don't know. Property again. This is ENO. This is not for data center. It's all the Penang place. Okay, so you see all this high-tech powerhouse, hydrogen, and finally this. So this is like super duper awesome, right? And you also have to see this because JP Morgan Malaysia bullish on this Southeast Asian country. So suddenly we have become bullish on this Southeast Asian country. Jamie Dimon. Named data centers, electric vehicles, and solar. We got a lot of solar, okay, where investors are putting their money in. Policy reforms, data center investment, and infrastructure build-out have become the key tailwinds from Malaysia. In accordance with our 2024 outlook, are progressing at a much then stronger anticipated pace. To neutral from under, we were like in the dumps, totally in the dumps, okay? So multi-theme story going on. So Penang has proven itself a tech hub overall. That's why I said the only place that if you want to move in, you either move to where? I think here's either Johor or Penang, but that's too close to Kedah, which is quite boring. Or you go to Sarawak, nah, not so. But maybe we still can kind of convince me otherwise. Okay, so here's the thing. Look at this. The highest among countries in the region, and that's why our IPO market is so hot and why I make 100,000 a month, okay? Subsidy, okay. Subsidy rationalization. So again, we did something well, which we have already this, right? See hotspot. We already fixed the diesel thing. I'm quite worried about the petrol thing. I just want them to get over it so that the uncertainty is gone, okay? So it seems like after we rationalize the diesel thing, good things have happened to the country and really ratings has gone up. Not necessarily good if you are in Malaysia earning ringgit, unless you kind of travel somewhere, okay? So that is here, right? So that is here. Hot, 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 right? Hot, 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 hot. Bursa KL and all that. Of course, we have to see at the market tomorrow, but you guys know what's happening to the market, right? So let's see. So that's one factor. So already we have a good market, one. The next thing is, but if you're earning ringgit, oh boy, you're going to have to go to another round of potential inflation caused by the subsidy of RON, right? RON, the oil subsidy. And this is the thing. Yeah, you probably can, yeah, EPF is doing well. Everyone's doing well. You can, another subsidy rationalization. So that is kind of not good. I hope that they don't raise the interest rate, because now the US looks like it is going to reduce interest rate, surprisingly, right? Can you believe that? So the US may even reduce interest rate because of the recession. So let's look at what's happening now. So when you talk about recession here, and then we'll go to the USD JPY, there's a lot of bad news coming out on the US. And I think one thing is recession here. Look, hey, don't look. Hey, don't look at that. Hey, don't look at that, right? Don't look at that, guys. That's from Egyptian. You see, I kind of look at Egyptian. I kind of look at the Olympic stuff. I was trying to find Lee Zij. So look at it. US indicator has been triggered. This one always work. The SAM indicator, okay? The SAM rule, recession indicator, surge to 0.53 in July from 0.23, suggesting we are already in recession, okay? The SAM rule signals a downturn once unemployment rate increases 0.5 percentage points over its 12-month low. It has never been wrong. It has never been wrong. And I'm going to ask Henry a very important question. So let's listen to this now.
Sam, I've got to ask the immediate question. Is the SAM rule in force at this moment?
It triggered. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So that puts it up over its 0.5 percentage point threshold, noting that comes off of historical experience. That doesn't necessarily tell us where, we are right at this moment, saying a recession. This has seen way too much momentum in the unemployment rate in recent months. I mean, 4.3%, right? This is not, so whether we are at that moment of a recession or not, this is your build into substantial weakening in the labor market, right? Like we have seen potential, all is not lost. We are, the bottom's not falling out. We should never panic. There are policy tools, there are levers, and again, I don't overread one data point, but this isn't one data point. So I think the case now for, hey, we're normalizing, we did need to slow things down some, probably, generally speaking. But now the question is, okay,
non-farm payrolls. Look,
we've had enough slowing here.
That's
what
big slow.
Levels this out?
Big slow.
And
okay,
that,
big
I think,
slow.
I don't have the answer for that.
Claudia,
that's the big one.
An economist of merit, Claudia Sam, by the name of Stanley Fisher.
So let's go here down. So we got the SAM triggering and indicators. Henry, why in the world in a recession did the market go up? Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why? Look, I'm asking Henry a question here. The markets are pumping, right? Why in the world did markets pump? I'm going to tell you the reason. So you have to understand this if you want to understand what's going on in the world. So I told you, like, Malaysia is like a safe haven. Malaysia is like a safe haven. Henry is safe because he converted a lot of ringgit and he didn't convert it back. So if not, he would lose 5% already now. Gosh, he would have lost 5%, like 310 to 2.98. What in the world is that? 0.12 times 3.1, 3.8%. You would have lost 3.8%. Okay, man, that's horrible. So why did the markets pump? Right? S&P was going up, right? What's happening now? Who knows? What's happening now? What happened? Like, what's going on? The markets were pumping. Well, the thing is, you got scammed. You guys got scammed. Only 7 stocks were moving, right? The Magnificent 7. And when the Magnificent Seven didn't move, guess what? Boom! Okay, and why didn't the Magnificent Seven move? And now you go here, USD JPY. Because the USD JPY corrected, JPY basically went up because the Bank of Japan increased interest rate, and suddenly you do not have the carry trade anymore, because this was done. People were like borrowing JPY at zero and investing it in the US stock market. So now with the unwinding, guess what? Suddenly went down, right? There's a recession indicator, and with the unwinding, boom. And that's why you see this. This is another thing. We didn't want the USD JPY to go up, but look at this, 146.47. 146.47 after flirting with 50. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's almost like 8%. Like, wow. Total crash here, right? Total crash. And of course, it took down this important thing with it, right? It took down this guy here. Look at this. USD JPY carry trade. Look at that. It's gone. Look at that. This is JPY against this. Look at that. It already broke this downtrend line. Look. So it seems that the carry trade is forcing sell-off in virtually all assets, because suddenly I'm borrowing yen, I get it for free, and then suddenly things are very bad, and suddenly the yen is also becoming a safe haven. Yen goes up, I have to get rid of my assets because my funding currency is kind of gone, right? Look at that. Look at this, like boom, sanity, moving down with momentum. Wild to see in 3 weeks and no signs of slowing down. Collapse of the carry trade and shorts caught off guard is literally crazy. And this is the thing. It's becoming like crypto, right? Because volatility is the price you pay for performance, but man, they got really shorted out. Undone in real time. And with it, the Japanese bubble is being popped. Yes, even the Nikkei. The Nikkei is going down. Look at that. I really got, hey, I'm going to save this, okay? I'm going to save this, okay? I'm not going to save this. And just going to save this. And there, bomb. So now you don't have a funding currency, right? So that's what's going on here. So on the other hand, you have this. On the other hand, Malaysia, because it's our fundamentals are good, that people see this as a country where, and money is coming in this year. And the good thing is this. The other thing that I see is this, okay? Let me tell you what I see, okay? Malaysia. Let me see. This is a very important indicator, okay? Top FDI. I'm all for Kedah, but I'm sorry, we cannot have this, okay? Top FDI states. Let me see. Let me show you something. This is correct. Which has the largest FDI in Malaysia? Singapore contributed to the largest FDI in Malaysia. Net inflows, this. What is the largest FDI? Which state has the largest FDI in Malaysia? What is this? This is not Malaysia, Gujarat. Hey, that's not Malaysia, man. Not all states are benefiting from FDI. Okay, here it is, guys. Here it is. This is important. Okay. Major imbalance in direct investment in Malaysia, if not addressed, can lead to similar disparity in development. Penang, Kuala Lumpur, and Kedah. Of course, when you talk about Penang and Kedah, it's because why? It's because, look, Kedah is the hinterland of Penang, right? It's kind of like this, right? Hong Kong and Shenzhen. Where Kedah is like Shenzhen, right? And Penang is like Hong Kong. Or maybe it's the other way around, right? So FDI is a priority. Now, the most important thing is this, guys. The most important thing is this. Look. What is the most important thing here? Look. Kuala Lumpur, from 9 billion to 30 billion. That's a lot. Okay, wow. 3 times. Are you kidding me? Kedah, wow, 3 times. 11 billion, 0.31 billion. Now, let me ask you a question. 10 billion to this. Now, let me say, what do you see here? You saw an anomaly that was finally corrected. Again, guys, I'm all for Kedah. Who was the top recipient of FDI before Penang? Who? Type it down, guys. Type it down. Who was the top one, okay? Who was the top? Nusi. No, it's not the Nusi effect. Who? Because it's the hinterland effect. Hinterland, this Shanghai, you know, because you have to know, you can ask Henry because of this, right? Because if you know what's happening in China there, there's something called the Great Bay Area, which is Hong Kong, Shenzhen, and also Macau. And you have to know, like, Guangdong generates, like, Guangdong economy is bigger than Australian economy. Okay, Guangdong economy, which is Guangdong, you know, Guangdong, right? Canton tau ka? Cantonese tau ka? Cantonese lah, Cantonese. Okay, Cantonese, the Guangdong attracted the most investments. You know, it's even bigger than Korea. Shenzhen in Guangdong is the place in this world that creates the most number of millionaires. Okay, so you want to see millionaire, you go to Shenzhen lah. Because everyone there is a millionaire. I'm okay because I'm already a millionaire. So I'm like, hey, hello, millionaire. Okay, I'm Melayu kaya. But I want you to see something. This is so important. Look, before that, it was Kedah. Can you see this? Before that, it was Kedah. Did you see this or not? Now, I think it's corrected. Now, the problem with Kedah, we cannot grow, right? So look, when Malaysia was bad, look at this, guys. 11.14 billion compared to Penang. So we actually beat Kedah. I don't know for how many years, but okay. But now, when things have flipped, when there is confidence, look, Penang can go to 61. Kedah can go to 31. Okay, not saying it's not bad, it's good. Okay, because of the hinterland effect. I said this is like Hong Kong. Or maybe this is like Shenzhen. I don't even know, you know. So I'm just giving it in Hong Kong because Penang is by the sea, and this is like, and Kedah is like Shenzhen, right? The hinterland. So this really, really worked. Okay, this awesomely worked. So this is why. Okay, so yeah, that's why he knows, right? So this is what is happening now. This is what's happening in Malaysia now. So this is why there's positivity here. This is a lot of money coming in. So this is why I said our stock market is one of the hottest stock markets. Our IPOs are totally hot, like super duper hot, right? Like Malaysia IPOs, like it's insane actually. Malaysia IPO summary, listing and all that. Bursa Malaysia, recent and upcoming IPOs. Really? Let's see. Prospectus exposure. There's so many IPOs coming up. You know, I really cannot even follow anymore. Oh, let's see here. Let's get this one. Yeah, look at that. Kuchinko. So there's, you know, there's like Kuchinko. Percentage change since IPO, guys. Look at that. Kuchinko, 48%. Wellchip, 46%. I bought at 115. It's now like 168. BWYS, which I still have half of it, 54%. JPG, which all you guys thought was going down, no one wanted it, and people even said me in the group, like, I don't see why this is going to go up. Yeah, right. Because you do not fail. You have failed to see the thing, the how do you say it? The value chain of JPG beyond palm oil, right? You only saw that palm oil thing. Right? And then I will show you the regret, right? You only saw that palm oil thing, but you did not see the land, which is Sedana, right? So it went up. OFB here, OFB like 80%. Of course, this went 3 times. Totally crazy. Because I sold it at 3 times. Go up, what? Go up 242%. Because I sold it at 93 cents, but that's okay. UUE. My God, 216%. Crazy. Agricore, 25%, almost went double. KTI. Okay, we didn't get it, but at least it gave a chance for investors to exit. Kenergy, 156%. Awesome. Crazy. So you see all this, right? So this is really creating a lot of money to a lot of people. This is definitely, this is the wealth effect. Well, so you see a lot of good things happening in Malaysia despite not happening in the world. Okay, so this is why Malaysia, very, very positive on Malaysia. But will IPOs be affected by the market? Of course they will. We cannot stop it, right? So now we're going to look at crypto, right? So we're going to do all this. So our shows might get longer, right? So again, very bullish on cryptos now. So cryptos have already been impacted by the market, right? Fear and greed index. Fear and greed index. So when is this going to turn around? Let's look at the fear and greed index here. Let's go at this, but this is a SAM indicator and fear and greed index sentiment here. It has really freaked people out, right? Fear and greed index here, we have fear. Can we go to extreme? I like to see it at extreme. I want to see it at extreme, okay? I want to see it at extreme here. This is not there yet, okay? So we're not there yet. Suddenly it's gone down. Like caught many people off guard, okay? Really caught many people off guard. And let's go here, fear and greed. Bitcoin also caught many people off guard, fear and greed. Are we in fear or extreme fear? Fear and greed, Bitcoin. Crypto fear and greed index. Okay, let's go for crypto fear and greed index here. Maybank reject. No! SCB. Oh, sorry. So we're now fear. We're not extreme fear yet. I wish we were extreme fear. Let's see max here. Extreme fear, right? So, with 10, it went to 10, really. What is this cycle? Yeah, it's already at the low of this cycle, right? It's already at the low of this cycle. Wow. Look at that. 25. When was this? 2022. Next support, maybe. Maybe it doesn't come here, but 20. I don't know. So again, when you talk about Sik Cheong, right? So, you know, a lot of people like regretted, right? A lot of people like regretted, you know, saying bad things about JPG, saying to me like, I don't know why this thing is going to go up. Yeah, just shows you guys, right? Yeah, follow the crowd, guys. Follow the crowd because you guys know the crowd is always strong. So let's see, Sik Cheong, look at this. This is a palm oil company, and this is the problem with people, you know, they're like, and then you regret it, and you guys give Sik Cheong what? Hey guys, you guys give Sik Cheong a massive 213 times oversubscription, right? Because you didn't see now FOMO, right? You guys didn't see it, and you guys like, we're gonna give it a 213 times oversubscription, which is like people always do, you know, because they never see it. They never see it, right? So I got this, okay, by the way, I'm just gonna tell you because it's over, right? Because it's over. So yeah. 213 times. The good thing about this is, what is the Bumi Putra spread, guys? Bumi Putra 195 times. Amazing. Amazing. So that means all the Bumi Putra whales like me have come out. So the fact that I got it is also good, right? So all the Bumi Putra whales have already come out, okay? All the whales have already come out. The whales are there, guys. The whales are there. Glad to have gotten this. Like, this is totally crazy, right? Totally insanity. I got to check. I'm going to check with Sharil's friend afterwards. Sharil is one of our friends, whether they got it. Okay, so that's what I tell you. So again, we're not extreme fear yet, but let's see what's happening in the crypto market. Now, let's go to Cointelegraph, right? I don't even look at the charts. Why are you guys looking at the charts? At this time, just relax and let's see what happens. Cointelegraph, right? Let's go and see Cointelegraph. So we're going to do, our shows will probably go like 45 minutes to 1 hour because we're going to cover a lot of topics, right? We are going to cover a lot of topics. When we trade, what do we trade? We trade IPOs, we trade stocks, we also trade crypto. So Bitcoin says Bitcoin bulls bet on M2 money supply, which means this is liquidity, okay? They want money to come in the market. They want the pump of the what? The pump of QE and money printing, right? Because that's the only way to save the economy. Hurtling towards 60,000 instead with stocks worldwide, however, sought to reclaim 62 on August 3rd and market inch higher after fresh liquidation cascade. So fresh multi-weeks low of 60,435, grim stock worldwide, lost nearly 5,000, wow, including short hold'em cost basis. Okay, so yields are feeling off a cliff in US markets. The job report came in astonishingly bad. This is Michael Van de Poppe. Slight panic across the board as the markets are pricing a substantial recession for the USA. SAM indicator has never been wrong. So what does Van de Poppe says? Argued that recent events had likely cemented the likelihood of the Federal Reserve's cutting interest rate, which is good, which means that a key bullish crypto analyst, in fact, they think it's going to be like 4 cuts. 0.25 times 4 means 0.5 and 0.5. So I hope that the Malaysian authorities in Malaysia cut interest rates too, and do not cut, do not cut, because they may say that, hey, if we like rationalize the subsidy, there would be inflation, right? So if you cut, then there would be more inflation, so they don't cut, which I kind of don't like. So rate cuts for September are confirmed. Summarize, yeah, this is good. Stocks are falling like we're entering a recession. Gold prices are falling like nothing is wrong. Bonds are rising like rate cuts are on the way. Oil prices are rising like rate cuts got cancelled. Crypto is falling like we're in a bear market. Yeah, we're in a bear market, but we're kind of not. We're like where we were in just before the big altcoin run of 2020, okay? Housing prices are rising like we are in a bull. This is weird. The housing prices is a lot, okay? So September, yeah. So whether rate cut is 25 or 50 basis points, okay? Smaller, yeah, 50 basis point at 78%. So global liquidity is good. The M2 money supply is going up. Hence, there's a lot of money supply, increasing money supply, uber bullish from combined TA and liquidity. It's just more money, 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 money. So again, I guess that is, yeah, look, we've been seeing lower lows and lower highs, 59 and 74K, okay? So it's unfortunate that we failed to even challenge the high. So that's the thing, right? But let's see. Let's see. I just want to see rate cuts on the Fed because I'm looking at that, right? So I hope it cuts, one thing to help the Malaysians here, because despite all this, I do not know when it will hit the job market with all these investments coming in. But one way to help the Malaysia market is Bank Negara bring down the interest rate lah, OPR. When is the next OPR? Yeah, correct. Only super whales can get, like me. Thank you. Hey, only super whales like Melayu Kaya can get, right? Only Melayu Kaya. Are you Melayu Kaya? That's why. Who asked you not to be Melayu Kaya? Melayu Kaya super whale got Melayu Kaya super whale got sick chong. Okay, again, super whale got sick chong. Melayu Kaya, yeah, but again, crypto is good because we're back where we were before. Surprisingly. September rate cut signals. Yeah. So I don't know what will happen next week. Probably go down. But if you say, hey, we're going to cut in September, oh, okay. Because you saw the SAM indicator, right? So second half, look at this. Where is the ringgit going to? Hey, so we got to give this to Henry because Henry is coming in September, right? So he's like, hey, do I buy the ringgit? I don't know, Henry. Look here. Don't ask me for financial advice because I'm not going to give it to you. Potentially ending the year at 4.43, okay? 4.43. So that's what I'm telling Henry. Could get more expensive, could go down to 4.43. Yeah, erasing its losses during the first time. In fact, it's like 4.5. 4.5 is close to 4.43. Okay, so they're very confident on the ringgit. That means that, yeah, we can start buying imported stuff on the ringgit. Okay, so let's see what else do they have here on the ringgit. What else do they have here on the ringgit? Let's go here. Okay, so here again, German quantum criminal at Bitcoin 2024. What else? Forget about Ethereum ETFs. Yeah, what is Ethereum? What is Ethereum going? I'm very disappointed in Ethereum. I'm not disappointed in Solana because Solana goes back to 180 that day, right? Okay, jail. Who received this by mistake? Dogecoin reproducibility update imminent. So it's time to bring back low FDB token sales and fair community launches. This is what I said, right? I told you guys, right? What's happening now? Those days of whatever is gone. Amber Group, what is this? Forget about, 95 or 120K. Diverge on next price stop. When was this? Was this today? I want to see it after today. I don't want to see earlier things, okay? Drop below 2.8K looming. Wow. So again, I really don't know when is this coming. Next year, okay, this is another warning here. 3 months, right? 3 months. So we could see that. So again, before we go, I just want to remind you of the cycles, right? Before we go, let's look at the cycles again. S&P 500. So Shuril is one of us, knows that here. We're here, right? We're here. We should be a temporary pop. We should see a temporary pop. This is like what? This is like Larry, this is like Powell might say, hey, we're gonna have a rate cut. And then just as when you're happy, and this is where people like Shuril is one of us enter here. Shuril is one of us enter here, and they say like, oh, it's going to go down again, right? And here, at this point here, mid-September, boom, is when we go up again, okay? So just be careful for some tough times. So I told you guys what to do in the group today, right? Don't miss this opportunity, okay? So we have this. So definitely this is going to go down, and this is quite accurate, you know, this is really quite accurate. See, although it predicted a low here, it did follow, you know, it did follow to that. It's kind of delay here. So again, although it predicted a low here, probably kind of a delay here, it will go up, okay? It will go up, okay? Because he's very, very reliable. Nothing is guaranteed, but I follow this to a T. And we're going to review this every week so that you guys don't get burned. So next one, let's go to Bitcoin. Yeah, you guys love Bitcoin. I guys want to know, hey, what is happening on Bitcoin? Like, what in the world is happening on it? But before we go for Bitcoin, which is what you want to see, if you want to know what's happening on crypto, and I am going to talk about TradFi also on Saturday, okay? You can attend this session, of which I do not know where it is. Here, Saturday, 9:30 to 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. is on crypto. But after that, from 2 to 5, we are also going to cover TradFi, okay? So again, you can go and register here. Register. Yeah, and we are going to cover this weekend, okay? At http bit.ly. Now, Malaysia double rubber set. What's happening? Are we going to win this? Are we going to win this? Are we going to win this guy? Hey, we won or not? And this is like Bull Run 88. So we're going to cover two things there. I'm just going to add this, okay? And I'm going to change the schedule for our group because, again, this is important. Understanding the TradFi market, okay? Because Muhammad Jabir Mohidin does not understand this, okay? So we're going to have to teach him this. So Bull Run 88, register here, start on Saturday, 9:30 to 1 on crypto. 2 o'clock, we go to TradFi, okay? So that understand the bigger picture, which you guys don't understand. Okay, you guys don't understand. Hey, what's happening here, guys? So see, even our shows are getting like from half an hour to 1 hour, right? Man, so let's go on Twitter here. What's happening here, guys? What's happening here? Malaysia badminton. What was the name? Malaysia doubles. Malaysia doubles. Like, what is that? Like, what is that? Malaysia doubles, right? Have we won? Have we won the gold medal? Come on, guys, win the gold medal. Hey, first ever semifinalist. Yeah, that's awesome, right? We got number 12, but man, these are so awesome people. Hey, it's only Pearly Tan. Oh, here. What is this? I don't see it. I don't see it. Hey, give me the link, man. Give me the link, okay? Doubles rubber set. Okay, we are at the rubber set. We could go into the final. That's good. Okay, so, and then we got to go here, Bitcoin. What is happening on Bitcoin? As I said here, August 1st, just temporarily up again, following the S&P, and then we get dumped again. And probably in October or even mid-September, which I calculate through the cycles based on history. Of course, I don't know what it's talking about. So why are you following me? I have no idea. Moon. That's what I'm saying. So let's see what happens and let's review next week. Not even next week. Let's review on Saturday. Okay. So again, morning is on crypto. Morning is this, and afternoon we're going to go to this again. Okay, guys, final round decide. Okay, guys, any questions? Any questions? So I hope to see you in that thing. Okay, any questions now? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, so this is kind of great here. Okay, this is kind of great here. So again, don't forget the event on Saturday. Okay, don't forget the event on Saturday. We are going to cover both because I think that you kind of need both for this. You kind of need both for this. There it is. There's the registration key. Bull Run 88. Okay, Bull Run 88, right? Bull Run 88. And of course, again, if you are there and you want to know more about what's happening in the market that I post, I don't want to post it on Facebook. Facebook is to socialize, not to get serious. Then Melayu Kaya there on Bitly. Okay, guys, anything else? Good one, 51 minutes. So our future shows will be like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, even an hour, especially for things like this. Any questions? Any questions? Who has questions? I hope I have answered your questions. So yeah, so Sharil Izwan Abbas is very smart because he knows all the Malay whales, super whales are coming in. But he knows whatever it is Sharil Izwan Abbas, Melayu Kaya still gets the IPO, right? Melayu Kaya always gets the IPO, right? Melayu Kaya gets the IPO. Gets the IPO no matter what, because I have a thing that, hey, this is no excuse. And soon, you know why Sharil is panicking? Shahril has already panicked because he has seen Melayu Kaya get IPO. Next time you're gonna see part of it. But Melayu Kaya will also make the first 1 million in crypto because we have seen the formula. You guys seen the formula just now, and don't fade it. It is time for you guys to change your life. Okay, so for me, I'm going to guide you there, and I'm going to put real money there, and can follow me money by money by money by money, just like we do on IPOs. Okay, just like we do on IPOs, as we work towards 1 million, right? Or no, 1 million, I don't know, about 1 million US dollars, maybe about 3 million ringgit as per our ratios, guys. Okay, guys, any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Who has questions? Ask. And again, don't forget, if you guys want to get or want to know how I kind of do IPOs, because IPOs are super, super hot, but the class is only going to be in this, right? It's only going to be in September because we got a lot of classes that are scheduled for this month. I'm like panicking scheduling you guys classes, okay? Because I want this to be done very, very fast. I just do not want to wait because there's many things to wait here. Here is the link for the IPO class. If you like it, sign up. If you don't, who cares? Nobody cares. Nobody cares, guys. Nobody cares, okay? So again, let's go here. Let's go here. Yeah, there. So that is the price for our class in IPOs. Okay, guys? Or I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if one can you guys not ask that kind of question? Can you guys not ask that kind of question? Because you're asking for financial advice. I don't do financial advice, okay? Because I do not want to get caught people following me, right? You know, right? That we may even have to have licenses. But if you want to know, I just will go here, okay? I'm just going to go here. I have an idea, right? I have an idea because I said that BTC, if BTC goes down to its production price, we could be in trouble. But when you ask things like that, I really don't want to answer that. I'm not into answering all these questions, okay? But let's go here since you did ask that. This is a very good question. News, it's like, is that someone was here asking me so many things about IPOs, and I say, hey, come join the class. And he did join the class. And now he sees in the class, I tell you a lot of things that I'm not going to tell you here. I'm not going to tell you here, okay? So BTC, or BTC low. Let's go and see BT low price, okay? After sipping below 50K, let's take a look at this. I would try to find the cost of production, mid 40. So the chatbot says in mid 40. Are you going to trust the chatbot? I don't know. When will it end? Just go here. BTC kept losing value, perplexity, retreat to mid to low 50,000 range. That's all I can say here. Perplexity outside another pain, which could drop to somewhere between 40 to 50. So it even have various tiers, like it can drop here or it can drop here. What are you saying, right? What are you saying, right? So I would like to know the cost of production. Rather than doing this, why didn't we see the cost of production of BTC? Because if it dips below the cost of production, we're like going to be in big trouble. We're going to be in big trouble. Cost of production of BTC. And those in my class know that I buy something else other than BTC, okay? I buy something else. Okay, let's see this. Yeah, that's the cost of production. That's what JP Morgan says. Not me, right? Not me, right? What is this? This is 17 June, Bitcoin mining cost. So you have to say the cost of production, and even they cannot decide, okay? So you can go in. Yeah, lots of secrets, guys, lots of secrets. Lots of secrets. I can't answer you if you say, what is it going to go to? I'm not God. I do not want to be God. It is a tough job, okay? I do not want to go that. So let's see this. I just want to see this. I like to see the cost of production here. I don't know why this is 86, but this is this, right? So reserves revises Bitcoin production cost. This is May. Let's see the Bitcoin mining costs. Because if we have a too low thing and the miners start shedding that thing, that would impact all the hash rates and all that, okay? That would drive it into quite bad things, okay? But hash rate record high, how will it impact BTC? See, hash rate new high. Let's see here. See, that's what I said. This is complex. Rather than asking like, where is it going to go to? There's a lot of sifus out there which you can ask. I'm not one of them, okay? Van Eck predicted Bitcoin reach half the price market cap of gold, exceeding 350K per price point. Morgan Stanley advisors will pitch BTC ETF. Can you believe that? Morgan Stanley will pitch BTC ETF starting 7th of August. So this is the latest one. This combines Trump wants to pay BTC with US debt, right? BTC mining's difficulty have hit new high, necessitating the need for more computational power, affecting profitability. So if they don't have profit, to raise money of this, BTC whales anticipate rally as BTC investment increases. They bought over 84,000 BTC. Okay, so they were buying. That's what it's showing. They were buying. Look, I'm not saying it's going to go where. I'm saying they were buying. And I think if you are a crypto guy, you would know what to do unless you're a crypto trader. Okay, then even I don't know. There's a lot of seafoods down here. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. BTC's new interim result, monetary inflation rather than true value. MACD bearish trend is a signal for the short-term traders that BTC may soon change direction. So this is what this says here. You can take a look at it. I have nothing more to say. Okay, guys, any question? Let's look at what this says. Where are the thing, right? Look at this, right? So Fibonacci, right? Look at this, 59, right? 65, 59, 51, 44, 37. Of course, cost of production is around 45 right here. Cost of production. Although I did read before it was 51. That's all I can tell you. Okay, guys, any questions? Any other questions? Good question. Can't answer. Any questions? Because I don't know the answer, because I don't use that whether I'm going to buy BTC or not. I don't even look at all these things. Okay, anything else? Who has a question? No one. See, we are almost 1 hour and we got to stop. So we're going to, but at least thanks here. At least I know that our capacity is 1 hour because we cover all the things. Okay, so again, I'm going to see you guys Sunday next week. And Sunday next week, we have a very exciting show where we will give Whistle some money through Solana wallets. Through the Solana wallets. Okay, so again, thank you very much, guys. I don't even know how to stop this. I have no idea how to stop this. This is a new Zoom. Let's see. But guys, anyway, ending the stream now. I gotta eat. Guys. I haven't eaten. See, just to be with you guys, I haven't eaten. See, I got this rice. Arab rice. You should say Arab rice. I'm just gonna eat now. And then probably I'm going to go and chill at the laundry, right? Chill at the laundry. But as you guys in the group know, we start today. I went to Maybank just now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Get ready. I'm going to see you soon. I'm going to see you soon, guys. Bye-bye. See you soon. Bye. End stream. I don't even know how to do this. Bye-bye.